Today we're going to go over the things I like and dislike about the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder, or really a Pathfinder from 2016 to 2020. We're opening the hood, so the first thing I like, that would be this VQ35DE 3.5 liter V6. It's been around for a long time. They're proven. And since this is a 2018, behind there is a timing chain. Not a timing belt you gotta replace every 100,000. Not that we're there yet. This one I don't like, CVT. This has the 3rd generation Xtronic CVT and only uses NS3 fluid, indicates a 3rd generation. Even with 74,000 miles, we've noticed issues. Another thing, it's Underequipped. One thing I dislike, you get keyless ignition, tri-zone automatic climate control, but all the seats are cloths. See, that's the tri-zone of the tri-zone automatic climate control. Another thing I like, very easy access to rear seats. Here, allow me to demonstrate. So, you see this third row entry thing? Well, you pull this up. You get a very wide passway. You get a good pass to this third row. And to restore the seat, it's very easy. Interesting enough, it's running hydraulics. It's hydraulic strut. You can see the spacious interior. So, yeah, very easy access to third row. I do like the wheels though, they look good. Another thing I like are these running lights. They're LEDs, and they're real sharp looking for otherwise boring looking SUV. Runs on regular gas. Now we'll go on to the inside for some more cons I have. You get, like I said, Underequipped, and this touchscreen infotainment system is kind of confusing. At least compared to the competition. So, yeah, it goes through a whole bunch of menus. First, climate. They gotta go either dual or rear. Kind of complicated, if you ask me. And the Bluetooth system is kind of obtrusive to music. Oh. SXM channel number 302.
Playing SXM 302.
I was just doing that as an example. So yeah, I will likely be getting a subscription for this car and possibly my 7.3 2003 Ford F-350 Super Duty. And I do like how easy it is to control this screen here. You got these simple buttons on the wheel. Right here. Yeah, very easy. Otherwise, complicated touchscreen in the center. This has forward collision warning, but easy passes up here. There goes some mail. No lights in the mirror. That's something I don't like, at least on the driver's side, but the passenger side doesn't get it either. It's kind of on their own. So yeah, that's some pros and cons of the Nissan Pathfinder we've had for 4 years.